Hey everybody, what's up? It's Danielle's Art and Makeup. So we are gonna oh my goodness, we are gonna do a little bit of a get ready with me today. There's a palette that I've been wanting to try and the brushes, which I'm super excited. I actually did go through the brushes a couple of weeks ago, but I never put that video up because it was kind of dark and dim. It was just, it wasn't like the best quality. So I never ended up doing anything with them. But check out the last video that I updated on YouTube because it's awesome. It's beautiful. I love the makeup that I applied on my model. It was wonderful. It just blended so effortlessly. Snatched. So today I did a couple little squirts of just some witch hazel. Yes, and then I just did that whole ordeal right there. And then I have this new Age Define Perfecting Cream. It looks like this. And I got it at Lucky's Market. I'm hoping that it makes me look 8 years younger. But with the wisdom that I have now, that would be wonderful. I really like the way that it feels. So yeah, I only put a little bit on. So we're just gonna get ready with me, drink some coffee, talk about the content that I am going to be uploading and how I'm gonna be uploading more and stuff that I love talking about, and hopefully that you do too. All right. So what we're first gonna get into are these brushes. I have been wanting to try these forever. Look at this packaging. Look at this color. I'm obsessed. Oh, babe. Oh my God. Whoo. This takes me to a whole nother place. Okay, so I took off the plastics already. Do you guys clean your brushes before you use them for the first time? Because I'm not. I don't know if that's gross, but I'm just going to put them right on today. Judge me. It's on myself. But I do clean my brushes often. I have a whole thing right there of clean ones. Oh my goodness. These are so beautiful, you guys. We got the powder brush, of course. Ooh, maybe I have to dim it more. Okay. So this is the powder brush. Super soft, fluffy. It's like they're so big and like so thick. This brush is seriously have a forearm tattoo that like wraps around, and this thing is so huge. It's just like that. Okay, so let's go to the next one. It is going to be called the round powder brush. So I'm guessing it's also another big one. Number 2 right here. Very nice. I like that. Ooh, yes. Tapers a little bit at the top. Very nice. I can't wait to use this. Number 3 is going to be the angled blush brush. Guessing that's this one. Yes. I like it. Okay. 4 is the highlight brush. This one. Yes. This is gonna be so nice for highlighting. This is how big it is in comparison to these other ones. Just so, ooh, they're so sturdy. I wonder how these handles and everything and the hairs and everything is going to handle being cleaned consistently. I wonder if it's going to like crack or anything like that, because like when I clean them, I clean them. So that would just be so nice. Next we're gonna have the dense shader brush. What is that, number 5? Is that this one, I think? Yes. That one's kind of cool. I could see if you're going with like some like really intricate contour, that one would be really good for that. Just in some of like these areas especially. I'll maybe even like a little bit right there. But try to figure out more ways to use that one, because it is super dense, but once again super soft. And then we got the large shader brush, 6. Is this it? Is that 9 or 6? That's, here it is. So That will fit right there. I have a larger eye space, so my eyes are still slightly hooded, but I can fit a lot of eyeshadow in that area. Okay, and then we have the large blending brush, number 8. Let's see where it's at. Here it is. It looks a lot like a small version of a highlighter brush. That's what it reminds me of. Here's the highlighting brush right here. Here is the blending one. So if you want a smaller highlight, you can use that for that as well. Next, it is going to be the round crease brush. Is that in my hand already? It is. Okay, so here it is. I think it's been going against the grain because it's a little deformed. I know that it hasn't been like that the whole time, but however I put them back in there, I did that. That's my fault. That's not their fault. That's my fault. Ooh, Lord. I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay. Hopefully it will be fixable. I'll let you know. Okay, so we have the blending brush, number 10. That's this one. Once again, the bristles are pretty long. I could see this blending. You know, in comparison to like the Real Technique brushes, the BH Cosmetic ones, their bristles are typically longer coming out from this area. The Real Technique ones are definitely shorter. So it just depends on how you flick your wrists, really, depending on how you like to blend. Some of the shorter ones might work better for if you're doing more detail. If you like something to be more exaggerated, which I do, the large ones, this would work just as well. And then we have this round smudge brush. Round smudge brush. Here it is. In comparison to these, you could do a little bit over here. It'd still be definitely something you'd be smoking out a lot, but that's nice. I like it. And did I miss a brush? I think I missed one. I did. I missed the flat shader brush. This was number 7. It's just, you can do a little cut crease action with that, or just pat on some shadow. Yep, and then we have the cutest little brush ever. It's the mini detail fan brush. And you guys, quick tip, if you want to get one of these for half the price, just go to your local art store. However, I am super excited to use this right here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There's a little hair right there. Nope, but yes. So yes, art stores. You can go to Michael's and you can get some of these brushes, and you guys, they will work even better. Sometimes, like, I get my eyebrow brushes from them. They look exactly the same as the ABH ones, and like they come to like the same point, and you just snatch them up. All right, thank you. Use that tip. There's no code yet, but there should be.